Everything changed for me when I finally understood this. Learn to work harder on yourself than you do on your job. That simple philosophy, it flipped my life upside down in the best way when I was just 25. Listen, working hard at your job, sure, that'll earn you a living and that's fine. But if you start working hard on yourself, you can build a fortune, and that's more than fine. I didn't mind putting in the effort at work. I was grinding, showing up, doing the job, but not much changed. Then I started working on me, my mindset, my skills, my habits. I started working to qualify. And here's the truth I want to drop on you. Success isn't something you chase. Success is something you attract by becoming the kind of person who attracts it. That's the philosophy. That's personal development. That's what this is all about. You can have more than you've got because you can become more than you are. Multiply your value by 3, 5, 10 times, and you'll be amazed at how fast your best version follows. But it starts with you. Work hard on yourself. That means learning new skills, maybe even new languages, anything that sharpens your edge. Because here's the kicker. People, they're fun to work with, but you know who's not always fun to deal with? You. Why am I hesitating when I should be all in? Why am I scared when I should be lit up? That inner conflict, we all face it. And that's the real challenge, the big one. Working on yourself, your personality, your temperament, your attitude. Understanding your culture, your wiring, your mindset. It's about becoming the kind of person who takes full responsibility, who's constantly growing, who's magnetic, who's powerful, who's skilled, who's communicative. You become that person, and the world is yours.